Here at Capsicum Culinary Studio and the Private Hotel School, we're all about shaping hospitality futures. We breed a culture in young Hospitalians that equips them with the skill set necessary to not only survive, but thrive in this industry. We pride ourselves on the confidence and global networks that our students leave with, and are confident that the students we are developing are tomorrow's future leaders of the hospitality industry. Our culinary courses focus on foundational skill and technique development.
To be a great chef, you've got to have lots of passion, enthusiasm, and a good work ethic.
I feel the new generation has really embraced sustainability, a completely different way of looking at food.
We encourage our students to enter competitions, putting them against the best.
How you rank up in terms of competing with your skills, I think it's an important element of anyone's career.
I'm I'm the sous chef of African Pride Melrose Arch by Autograph Hotels. Students from Capsicum, they're very strong.
What I love about the Capsicum Cooking Studio and the way that they teach their students is it's not just about the basics. They're getting taught business, they're getting taught of different types of way to look at the food industry.
Capsicum is an excellent school because it concentrates on those building blocks.
So in terms of opportunities that come with the food industry, like of course you could be a chef, you could own your own business. Things like food truck are a massive trend in the States.
We just recently started a food truck, and this food truck is gonna go all over Joburg in festivals and farmers markets. And what's more amazing about this is that as a student get to benefit from it, we can get the funds to help us towards our tuition or our chef's table.
With 5,000 alumni out there, you can imagine our global networking. So it makes placing students a lot easier all over the world.
The level of South African chefs that I've met are actually of a very high quality.
Internationally, South African chefs are very well sought after.
Our hospitality courses have a strong academic focus. They are customer orientated. We focus on management and leadership development, and we are industry's preference.
The Private Hotel School is one of the best hotel schools in South Africa. I studied there for 2 years, did my internship at the Devon Valley Hotel, and after that I have joined this beautiful property here in Abu Dhabi. Throughout my studies, they have given me the right mentorship in order for me to be ready for this industry.
Studying at Capsicum was not just about learning material and going through theoretical and practicals. We actually had an opportunity to build mentorships with our lecturers. Everyone talks about an aha moment. My realization moment was when I was asked to cook for our South African ambassador in Qatar and 200 of his guests.
Industry placement for students is highly important, I feel, for them to get a real feel of what the industry is like and not be only in the perfect surroundings of a hotel school. My personal rating of the Private Hotel School is definitely, for me, in the top 5 of what I've dealt with internationally.
My dream job is to own my own restaurant.
I would like to be famous like Gordon Ramsay.
Watch out. Chef Kona is coming to get your job.
The new breed of chefs coming out, they're full of grit, flair, passion. That's what we look for in every one of them. And when they leave, that's what they gotta have.